nezindaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma hekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Bukele nazi ezinohlonze imini nje.
We introduced stage 2 load shedding starting last night, of course, during the peaks. The peaks are computed between 4 in the afternoon to 10 in the evening.
Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uJosiyenzo Ramokgopa ubebambe isithangami kanye nezikhulu ze-Eskom bezolandisa ngezizathu eziholele ekutheni kuqale isigaba sesibili sohlelo lokucisha kongugesi ngehora lesine izolo ntambama.
Reject, in other words, the plea of no jurisdiction. How will it impact upon the interests of your client?
Ijaji uPhilip Lobso usenikeze ummeli kalowo wabe engundunankulu wase-Free State u-Ace Magashule igunya lokuhloma ngemibuzo ufakazi umbuso ecaleni elimayelana nesivumelwano sokususa uphahla lwetsheboya esabiza ngaphezu kwezigidi ezingama200 zamarandi.
The time at which the post-mortem examination commenced was approximately 90 minutes after Mr. Luthuli was declared dead.
Namhlanje kubizwe omunye ufakazi esigcawini esiphenya ngokushona kukalowo owabe engumengameli we-ANC inkosi Albert Luthuli enkantolo ephakeme yaseMgungundlovu. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezinqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili naku SABC 1 Mzansi for sure kanjalo ke naku SABC Lihayi. Igama lami ngikuDaud Phungula. Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uJosiyenzo Ramokgopa ubebambe isithangami kanye nezikhulu ze-Eskom bezolandisa ngezizathu eziholele ekutheni kuqale isigaba sesibili sohlelo lokucisha kongugesi ngehora lesine izolo ntambama.
Ungqongqoshe uRamokgopa utshele abezindaba ukuthi kunesidingo sokucisha kogesi ukuze kuqinisekiswe ukuvikeleka kwamaziko e-Eskom. Kanti uphinde waxolisa ebantwini baseNingizimu Afrika ngokungahambisani nesithembiso asenza nenkampani ephehla amandla ugesi u-Eskom sokwehlisa izinga lokucisha kogesi kuleli.
We introduced stage 2 load shedding starting last night, of course, during the peaks. The peaks are computed between 4 in the afternoon to 10 in the evening. And then the communication makes the point again today. And of course, tomorrow we'll revise the performance and we'll share with you.
uRamokgopa kanye nesikhulu esiphezulu se-Eskom uDan Marokane bathi ukwehluleka ukuvuselela kokusebenza kwesiphehli ezimbalwa ikona okuhlele ekutheni sikhuze ibuye isigaba sesibili sohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi.
Those outage slips, they amount to about 3,100 megawatts. So we had said that when we enter this winter period, we'll have brought down that planned maintenance, and in this instance by 3,100 megawatts. And those units have not come back. Those units have not come back as a result of a multiplicity of reasons. Some of them had to do with third-party players, the contractors, the OEMs that have not delivered.
We'll use all our reserves appropriately and to the extent that they are needed and no more. That we are requiring them only for that 6-hour period should also be telling. It says that for the other parts of the period, we are able to meet demand with the rest of our capacity that's available.
Isigaba sesibili sohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi sizoqhubeka phakathi kwehora lesine kuya ehoreni leshumi ebusuku namhlanje nakusasa.
Ijaji enkantolo ephakeme yase-Free State uPhilip Lobso usekhiphe isinqumo ezivuna ummeli ka-Ace Magashule njengoba ebefuna ukuba kwazi nayo ukubuza imibuzo ufakazi umbuso njengoba kuqhubeka isigcawu esicubungula ukuthi uMoradi Cholota ukulungele yini ukuqolisa icala kule nkantolo.
Njengoba nje siqhubeka isigcawu esicubungula ukuthi le nkantolo ikulungele yini ukuba kuqhutshekwe nokuthethwa kwaleli icala, ummeli ka-Ace Magashule ufuna ukuba inkantolo imvumele ekutheni abe nethuba lokuhloma ngemibuzo ufakazi ombuso nokungumphenyi waleli icala.
Ms. Cholota's reason as to why this court doesn't have jurisdiction relates to the fact that she claims to have been tortured and intimidated.
Umshushiso ombuso usamile ekutheni akunasidingo sokuthi ummeli ka-Ace Magashule abe nemibuzo azoyibuza ufakazi ombuso njengoba kuqhubeka sona lesi sigcawu.
You've heard what he said now. Are you still of the view that he shouldn't be allowed?
Most definitely.
there's a huge difference between the cases that he quoted and the case in Carlson. In all those cases, the police acted untoward to alter statements or to have statements made.
Ijaji libese libuza ummeli kaMahashule ukuthi makungake kuthiwe eqhutshekwa nokuqulwa kwecala ishawa indiva indaba kaSholot yokufuna ukuthi kube nalesi sigcawu esicubungula ukuthi kulungele yini ukuba kuqulwe icala kungamphazamisa kuphi uMahashule.
Say for instance this court decides that the trial must go on against accused number 17. I reject, in other words, the plea of no jurisdiction. How will it impact upon the interests of your client?
Isigcawu esiqhubeke enkantolo ephakeme yaseMgungundlovu esihlalele uphenyo oluvulwe kabusha uphiko olushushisa amacala eNPA ngokukhothama kwenkosi uAlbert Luthuli namhlanje sibizo ungoti oqeqeshelwe ukuhlinzwa kwezidumbu ngenhloso yokuthola ngembangela yokukhothama kwenkosi eminyakeni engama-57 edlule okwabikwa ukuthi yashayiswa yiguzu ngaseStenga.
Udokotela Sibusiso Ntsele uqashwe eMnyangweni weZempilo KwaZulu-Natal njengomunye wongoti kwaba nohlonze ngokuhlinzwa kwezidumbu okwenziwa ngenhloso yokuthola ngembangela yokushona komuntu. Ngasekupheleni konyaka u2020 wajutshwa yiNPA ngokuthi ahlaziye imbiko eyenziwa ngo1967 ephathelene nokukhothama kwenkosi uLuthuli okwabikwa ukuthi yathola kulimala okubucayi emva kokushayiswa yiguzu eGledo Butebuduze naseStenga. Untsele uthi inkomba zocwaningo ayikhombisa indlela ukuthi inkosi yayilimele ngayo yayishayiswe isitimela seyimpahla.
The interpretation of injuries as indicated on the post-mortem report do not resonate with injuries that would have been expected in an instance of a railway train pedestrian collision.
Untsele uphinde watshela lesi sigcawu ukuthi umbiko ohambisana nokukhothama kwenkosi uLuthuli washicilelwa eminyakeni engama-57 edlule wenziwa ngendlela engaqukethe onke amaphuzu emininingwane ngokushona komuntu.
The injuries on the post-mortem examination report are grouped without providing specific distinctive detail. Namely, wound measurements, that's the size, and specific locations within anatomical sites. It is not known how many and big were the scalp lacerations, which were described as multiple.
Likhona ngaphakathi enkantolo idlanzana lamalungu eANC ethamele ukuqhubeka kwesigcawu eMgungundlovu.
Isikhulu esiphezulu eSABC uNomsa Chabedi utshele ikomiti lasephalamende elibhekele ukusetshenziswa kwemali abakhokha intela ukuthi umsakazo lomphakathi ubonakala sewenza kangcono ngakwezemali. Izikhulu zale nkampani esakaza ngomoya bezethula umbiko wezemali wonyaka u2023-2024.
Isikhulu esiphezulu seSABC uNomsa Chabedi uthi umsakazo lomphakathi sewenze kangcono ngakwezemali.
The analog switch off has real implications for SABC in terms of audience loss because we, at the end of the day, from a commercial perspective, we compete on audiences. That's really what it's about. We go out to the market to sell audiences. And the minute we start losing those audiences, it means that from an SABC perspective, our value will immediately drop.
Our
annual target was 22% for SABC 1. We achieved 18.8%. For SABC 2, it was 6%. We achieved 4.1%. For S3, it was 3%, and we only achieved 1.5%. And the reality is that it's because we lacked the fresh new content in order to attract those audiences. And that's because we didn't have the capital to invest in acquisition of that fresh content. And the type of performance you're seeing is actually very strong performance if you think about just the the breadth of the new content that has been taken to market by our competitors, it means that our historical content still continues to perform very well for us.
Iphindi kaNgqongqoshe zokuxhumana nezobuchwepheshe uMondli Gungubele ushayile ihlombe ibhodi elisha le-SABC wathi kusukela lingenile kuningi okuguqukile.
In my view, has gone far better than what it used to be since the new board took over. They have actually stabilized SABC. Usually they say it's a decline, stability, and then up. I think they have stabilized. They are struggling to go up. And I'm very proud of that.
I-SABC ithi finyelele esigidini sabantu ababhalise ku-app i-SABC Plus.
Bukeleke abaphathi be-SABC basaqhubeka nokwethula ke lo mbiko eParliament. Kanti ke uma sihlabela phambili ke unobhala ke jikelele we-ANC ufikele embalulu uthi ke umengameli wakuleli uCyril Ramaphosa kufanele enze ngakho konke okusemandleni okulwele elakuleli ezindabeni ezingamampunge eziqhubekayo. Lokhu kuza ke emva ukuthi umengameli uRamaphosa ehlele uhambo lokuvakashela umengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump ukuze babhunge kabanzi ngokuqhubekayo phakathi kwalamazwe amabili. Kanti ke uzothola nethuba lokulungisa ubudlelwane phakathi kwalamazwe omabili.
I-ANC yemukele isinyathelo sikaMengameli wakuleli sokuvakashela uMengameli waseMelika uDonald Trump. Lokho kuzemva kokuthi kubonakale kungahambi kahle ebudlelwaneni balamazwe omabili. Kusenjalo uMengameli uTrump wakhomba indlela enxusa lakuleli elalizinze eMelika uAbraham Rasool lokuyilapho kwabonakala khona ukuthi izinto azihambi kahle neze.
It is important that our president must lead the charge in defending his own country and his own people against distortions which are clearly blatant, in a way.
Umbalula uphinde wathi uhulumeni kufanele abeke eqhulwini ukuhlinzeka ngamathuba omsebenzi.
We want jobs, and the rising figures of unemployment are a big challenge for our economy. As the ANC, in the next coming National Executive Committee, our biggest focus is going to be on the economy.
Kusenjalo umbalula ushayile ihlombe uMengameli Ramaphosa ngokuthi wakwazi ukungenelela ukuze kuguqulwe isinqumo sohulumeni wobandlululo sokwephuca unokwe ilungelo lokuba ummeli.
We welcome President Cyril Ramaphosa's timely intervention to ensure that this debarring as an advocate by the apartheid regime is reversed. The President has also posthumously awarded advocate Jumanokwe silk status.
Bukeleke sisathi qhu ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizophathela uWT. Umfundisi wodaba kwelaseNigeria uTimothy Omotoso udedelwe inkantolo yemanje yaseMonti ecaleni elimayelana nokwephula umthetho olawula abokufika kuleli. Bukela sikubingelele sokwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uKhosiyenzo Ramokgopa ubebambe isithangame kanye nezikhulu ze-Eskom bezolandisa ngezizathu eziholele ekutheni iqale isigaba sesibili sohlelo lokucisha kongugesi ngehora lesine izolo ntambama. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena ukuzozicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Amaqembu ezombusazwe aphawulile mayelana nodaba lwamabhunu angama-49 afulathele elakuleli yanquma ukuyimelika. Leli qoqo lamabhunu lithi aliphathekanga kahle kuleli.
The African National Congress registers its firm rejection of the United States government's decision to grant refugee status to 49 individuals self-identifying as Afrikaners. Let it be categorically stated that there are no Afrikaner refugees in South Africa.
The economic freedom fighters is not fazed by the departure of 49 self-proclaimed Afrikaners who have been welcomed to the United States of America under the Refugee Resettlement Program. in the appreciation of the EFF. We view this as nothing but part and parcel of a deliberate campaign by the United States of America and Donald Trump to try and characterize South Africa as a nation that is perpetuating a non-existent genocide in order to put into question South Africa's moral standing.
It is a sad day when Afrikaners no longer feel welcome in the country of their birth and find it necessary to leave South Africa as refugees.
We respect the right of every South African to relocate or immigrate, but that right must not be exercised on the basis of false claim. Saying you are being persecuted when there is no such threat undermines the true democratic reality of our country. It's an insult to the struggle of millions who still live under real socio-economic hardship.
Umfundisi odabuka kwelaseNigeria uTimothy Omotos udedelwe inkantolo yemantshi yaseMonti ecaleni elimayelana nokwephula umthetho olawula bokufika kuleli. Imantshi ithole ukuthi umnyango wezasekhaya wehlulekile ukuqinisekisa ukuthi uMothoso uvele enkantolo kungakapheli amahora angama-48 ngokuhambisana nomthetho. Lo mfundisi wakhalelwa amasongo kaSigonyela ngomgqibelo eMonti wabeke esevalo lestation samaphoyisa saseMdantsane wavele enkantolo okokuqala ngomsombuluko ntambama sezidlule ngamahora ambalwa esikhathi okwakufanele avele ngase enkantolo. Ngakolunye uhlangothi iNPA imemezele ukuthi izodlulisa isinqumo esamthole engenacala kwelokudlwengula. Undunankulu wesifundazwe KwaZulu-Natal uThami Ntuli ubambe isithangami ukuzochaza ngezingqinamba ezisabhekene nebhangi Ithala kanye nekusasa laleli bhange ngemva kokuthi inkantolo ephakeme yaseMgungundlovu inqumo ukuthi lingaqhubeka nokusebenza.
We are defending the Ithala SOC, hence we are filing papers against the appeal because the judgment was categoric that in any event the Prudential Authority and the RA should have not interfered with the daily operations of Ithala SOC, depriving the people of KwaZulu-Natal, in fact, who are investing for the growth of their businesses in Ithala, affecting emerging entrepreneurs in the province, depriving those who were saving with Ithala their benefits of retirement, wherein they were supporting their families on monthly basis. Hence, we are calling upon the people of the province to actually stay with Ithala, supporting Ithala, and appreciating, in fact, the voices that are speaking in one, supporting Ithala preservation.
Sesiphinde senyuka isibalo sabantu abangasebenzi kuleli safinyelela emaphesentini angu-32.9 lokhu kuvele ngesikhathi kwethula izibalo zesigamu sokuqala sonyaka.
Lezibalo zakamuva azitshengisa isithombe esihle njengoba kunabanye futhi abantu abalahlekelwe imisebenzi. Isibalo sabo sesifinyelele ezigidini ezingu-8.2. Lesibalo sifaka nalabo asebephonse ithawula ekufuneni umsebenzi. Bona-ke isibalo sabo esenyuke ngephesenti elilodwa safinyelela ku-43.1 wamaphesenti.
The official unemployment rate, which is sitting at 32.9%, is representative of the 8.2 million people who are unemployed and actively looking for employment.
IKOSATU ithi yize lezi nombolo zingezinhle kodwa ke zibheke isikhathi esithile sonyaka.
This is for the first quarter of the year, so it reflects normally a little bit of a post-Christmas holiday, post-festive season slump, so to speak. There's normally quite a bit of a pickup in the fourth quarter of the year because that's Christmas.
Osomnotho bathi impendulo yamathuba angcono emsebenzi ilele ekusimameni komnotho.
When we look at the level of employment relative to the size of the economy, we see that it is at a reasonable level when we compare it to historical trends. In other words, We need to now grow the economy to justify further employment creation.
Abantu abasha bayaqhubeka nokuba yibo abakhahlamezeke kakhulu ngenxa yokwentuleka kwamathuba emsebenzi.
Ukeli usale kahle.